This tutorial review will show you how to set up a soundboard for Discord. You can use the voice mode software to change your voice for Discord. This is very popular and you will get some free voice effects if you use the free version of voice mode. So the first thing you have to do is install the voice mode software on your computer and launch it, and then click on settings. Here you'll find the input device section. You have to select your microphone and then open your Discord app and click on user settings. Click on voice and video. Click on input device, and here make sure to select the voice mode virtual audio device, and then launch your voice mode app. And now from here you can select any voice effect. Once you select it, make sure to enable voice changer, and now you can join in a call in Discord and you will see your voice has been changed. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.